No, 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 no. Ta-da!
Lisa, make me a house.
Okay.
Whoa! Wow! So lovely. Ayo! You are so beautiful. This is Mario. We will make a house for him. Make the Mario-shaped sofa. Draw Mario on the cardboard. Cut according to the drawing. Cover the cardboard with clay. Cut off the excess clay. Decorate with Mario's design. Add 2 eyes. Oh, wow! Make 2 cushions to place on the sofa. Add cotton inside the fabric. Apply glue. Cut off the excess fabric. Use gems for the sofa legs. So beautiful! Make the table. Apply glue. Combine the cardboard pieces. Add the clay layer. Whoa! Take a piece of clay. Shape the clay into a mini game controller. Wow! Aha! I will make a game controller out of clay. Buttons using clay. Shape the game controller. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Wow, what a beautiful TV. Peach, please watch with me.
The living room is complete.
I've been told that before.
This is Peach. We will make a room for her. Cut the paper according to the drawing. Cover the cardboard with clay. So lovely. Make the bed. Apply glue on the cardboard. Add the cotton layer. Wrap fabric around. Cut off the excess fabric. Add the blanket. Ta-da! Make the bed's tailboard. Wow! Make the mushroom-shaped pillow. Flatten the clay piece. Make the table. Add 2 drawers. Use clay to make 4 table legs. Make the star-shaped mirror. First, shape the star using clay. Ta-da! Place the mirror on the table. Add the makeup set and perfume.
Lisa, help me with makeup. Okay.
You are so beautiful.
Peach, you are so beautiful.
Thank you, Mario.
Decorate the bedroom. Wonderful! The Mario house is complete.
I want to play games until morning.